Hey everyone, a lot of you heard about OpenAI's operator. Today we're going to take a look at an open source equivalent which is called BrowserUse. You still need some kind of API key. I did choose to use OpenAI's API, but nevertheless you can download the GitHub repo. And inside the repo there is a Gradle demo, so this is a UI based demo. So it looks like this. So you put in your key and we'll type a description. So for me, I'm going to go to the weblog. I want it to go to the Loblaws website and put in the cart the basic ingredients for making a hamburger. I'm going to choose the 3.5 Turbo since it's a little bit cheaper. I don't want to run headless because I want to actually see it. Okay, so let's see what I can do. So when you click on run, it will actually start up a Chromium browser. Just thinking in the background. So first thing it does is it goes to the website, and it's actually quite neat. So what it does is through something called Playwright, it looks at the browser, and you don't basically need to code anything in. Playwright is smart enough to leverage the logic behind the LLM to actually scan the screen and determine what to do. So in this case, the first search is going to be for hamburger buns. So you can look inside the terminal window to see what's actually doing. So searching for the Loblaws website was successful. Okay, so now it's got the hamburger buns. I don't know what it's actually doing actually, so it's thinking, and I don't know how it actually chooses which hamburger buns to buy, because there are various different price range. I'm pretty sure I can provide supplementary instructions like, oh, choose the least expensive hamburger buns, something like that. So once it's got the buns put in the cart, now it's looking for ground beef. So you can kind of see how it's kind of interesting, right? Using the logic of the LLM, we can just say, ingredients for a hamburger bun, and we don't actually need to say exactly what. Also interesting that I decided to choose a lean ground beef, right, compared to other types of ground beef. So what it's really doing is going to the item ground beef and adding the quantity of 1. Again, we haven't done any kind of coding. All I've done is actually provide a one-sentence instruction telling it to create a cart with hamburger ingredients. So next is actually adding lettuce. The terminal is actually not displaying too much information, but you can actually see through Chromium it's actually kind of doing the job. This is pretty amazing because you don't need any API integration. So for things like this, maybe in the future when you have like a mainframe and instead of doing like screen scraping, you can actually just tell it where to click and stuff. Also interesting is that actually, I've read another example. It actually handles the captures properly. So before you really need a human interaction, but now like this thing here actually handles the captures properly. Okay, so after lettuce, let's get tomatoes. You can actually see within the cart, there's actually like 3 or 4 items. And yeah, that is actually a demo. So it's really, really interesting the type of technologies available now, like especially with computer vision. And yeah, so exit the browser and that's it. Thanks for watching.